Hey everybody, CoachCAziz here. Just wanted to come and talk to y'all a few minutes about the 4 reasons why I believe people don't have life insurance. Now, this came as a result of a thought that I had last night while I was working out. And I really wanted to record this while I was in the gym working out because that's when the idea came to me. It was just too loud in there, so I had to wait until today to do the recording. So the thoughts are not as fresh as they were last night, but nevertheless, here we go. So the 4 reasons why I think people don't have life insurance. So the number one reason, and when I say number one, it's just the first reason we're going to discuss it. These are not in any particular order. So the first reason is broke, right? We can't do nothing with broke. If you don't have an income and you absolutely can't afford um, to spend any money on life insurance, then I can understand that reason. Here's what I would say to that, or here's what I would do, because I can't tell you what to do. But here's what I would do. If I didn't have any income right now, just flat broke, I still would try to have life insurance. And here's what I would do. I got 3 children. I will probably call all 3 of them and say, hey, if I die today, you guys would be the beneficiaries. So I have this life insurance policy at $75 a month. I want to get that. Why don't each of you pay $25 a month for me? Help me out, because obviously I'm broke right now, don't have any income. $25 a month, and something happened to me, the death benefit is going to be divided equally amongst you 3, right? So I would do it like that. I would reach out to the beneficiary and try to figure out a way that they can assist me in making that monthly payment. So that's the first reason you broke. That's how I would handle that. The second reason I think is just simply procrastination, right? People say, okay, I understand the benefits of life insurance and why I should have it, and I'm going to get it tomorrow, right? So that tomorrow. All right, we know that tomorrow is not promised. That's what I would say to that, right? If you watch the news, if you social media, right, it's always somebody in your timeline has passed on, and a lot of times it's not an old person, right? It's a young person. So tomorrow is not promised. All right, don't keep putting things off until tomorrow, because you may not be here tomorrow, right? Let's get it done today. And another reason why you don't want to procrastinate is because it's never going to be as cheap as it is today for you to get life insurance, right? Because the price or the cost increases with age. So the older you get, the more it's going to cost. So stop procrastinating. Another thing is, you're probably never going to be as healthy as you are today. So what if you may not die, but what if you have a stroke tomorrow? What if you have a heart attack? What if you're diagnosed with cancer? See, all of these things are going to affect whether or not you can get life insurance. Some of these things will cause you not to be able to get life insurance at all, right? So you'll be uninsurable. I mean, you may be able to get a guarantee issue policy, but come on. I mean, so right now you're insurable. Let's insure. One of my mentors in this game a couple of years ago, I heard it from him first. He used to always say, Dr. Burns used to always say, insure your insurability, right? So let's get it done now while you're still as young as you'll ever be and as healthy as you'll ever be. So stop procrastinating, right? And you definitely want to get some living benefits in place if you qualify for them, right? So let's say I get diagnosed with cancer or something tragic or critical. I don't die, but now I'm in a position where I may need some long-term health care or some assistance with medical bills, just more money coming in to give me a better quality of life. And you can do that with living benefits, right? So you want to stop procrastinating. If you qualify, get you a policy with living benefits. But the most important thing is to get something now. Okay, stop talking about or waiting for tomorrow, because we don't know what tomorrow holds. The third reason is you're wealthy. See, if you're already wealthy, then you're what we call self-insured. Congratulations, right? You're wealthy. You made it financially anyway. And if I got $1 billion in the bank, I may not necessarily want to have a life insurance policy, rightfully so. I'm self-insured, like I'm good to go, right? So that's the third reason why I think people don't have life insurance. And then the fourth reason is just ignorance, right? Just because you're not financially literate. Now, I'm not saying you're stupid or dumb or anything like that. I'm just saying you're ignorant when it comes to that. Or you're financially illiterate. You're just not financially literate. And if you don't have life insurance, you're not, because the foundation of your financial, if you're trying to build a financial house, so to speak, the foundation is life insurance, right? It should be, if you're still in the building process, right? Like I said, if you're already wealthy, now I'm not talking to you. But if you're still in that building process, if you're trying to build a stable financial house, the foundation is always life insurance. If you didn't know that, then you're just ignorant of that. You're just not as financially literate as you thought you were. And that's okay, right? But, and the reason why I say the life insurance is the foundation, because when you're building, there's a time factor there. And if you die prematurely, then you still need to have the funds in place to be able to take care of the things that you projected yourself to be able to do in the future. See, life insurance creates an immediate estate. So let's say I'm building this financial house. Part of this is my retirement plan, right? So I got to save for that. I got to build for that. Part of this is getting my children through college. All of that requires funds. But if I die prior to getting that money saved up or set aside for those things or funding those programs, then what? Do my children just go without? Do my children, life insurance is the foundation because it protects against premature death. That's the foundation of your financial house. So there we have it. I can't think of any other thing other than those 4 reasons for you not to have life insurance. If you don't have life insurance and you don't fall into one of those 4 categories, then I'm not gonna call nobody names. I can't say what I just thought, but the bottom line is those are the main 4 reasons. So if you don't have it, let's have a discussion. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can find something that fits in your budget, and let's see how we can help. I definitely can help you come up with a plan to be able to go ahead and put your life insurance in place, put your foundation in place so that you can be building your financial house on something solid and stable. So that's it. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now. Hope that was helpful. Peace.